Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to deposit money from Coinbase to stake account. First of all guys, you need to click the wallet in the top right here, and then you need to click deposit. Then you need to select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. You can deposit any of these cryptocurrencies. So you can deposit USDT, BTC, Ethereum, LTC, and others, guys. For example, let's deposit Solana to our stake account. So here is the wallet address where we need to send our crypto. In this case, we need to send Solana to this wallet address. Also, you can use the QR code, but I will just copy the wallet address and I will take my mobile phone. So let's go to our Coinbase account. We need to go to transfer, select send crypto. From the list, you need to find the cryptocurrency you're sending to stake account. So in this case, I'm depositing Solana, so I need to find Solana. Here is Solana, let's click on it. And then I need to enter the wallet address we just copied from stake.com. So I will paste the wallet address and let's continue, guys. Now we need to enter the amount of cryptocurrency I'm gonna send, for example, 1 Solana, and you need to finalize the transaction. In a few minutes, you can check your balance on stake.com. You will receive your cryptocurrency. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.